Cleaning out your CNC machine is a horrible job. It's messy, it's time consuming, and worst of all, you throw out all of the expensive coolant that still has plenty of life in it. Manually scooping swarf and draining tanks is labour intensive, and you're literally pouring money down the drain. The METALMASTER Swarf Vacuum will change how you maintain your machines. It is a portable, air-operated vacuum designed to remove swarf, sludge and fine particles directly from your coolant tank. It doesn't require any electrical connection, has a built-in air gun for blowing out chips and mesh filters, and has a capacity of 12 litres. And because the expensive coolant is preserved, you're not constantly topping it up. Cleaner machines run better, the coolant lasts longer, and your team spends less time on cleanup and more time machining. So if you're looking for a smarter way to clean your machine, reduce downtime and extend the life of your coolant, the METALMASTER Swarf Vac is for you. For more information, head into your local Hare and Forbes Machineryhouse store or jump online to machineryhouse.com.au.